Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Dehradun. It is from Uttarakhand. So let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for social media marketing specialist. So it is from Blue Letter India. So coming to about the job, it is located like in Dehradun. So those candidates who are willing to relocate can only apply for this position, and the candidates have the zeal and passion to learn the strategies of facing the game of social media. So those candidates are able to eligible to apply for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is info@blueletter.in. And next one, that is a job opening for email marketing specialist. So it is from Rank Mantra. So coming to qualifications, it would be graduate or knowledge of MS Excel is needed for this position, and also 1 to 3 years of experience is required to apply for this position. And coming to responsibilities, online lead generation through email marketing, fetching data from various search engines like Google, and focus on international clients US or Canada, and team handling, create and design email templates, manage and build an overall email marketing strategy, create various email lists and campaigns, and develop a lead generation strategy. So these are the roles and responsibilities. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, or else if you want to know more detailed information about this position, you can check in the description as well for the link, and you can also send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@rankmantra.com. Next one, there is a job opening for social media manager. So it is from Ingenious Minds India. So coming to about the responsibilities, you need to supervise all social media accounts of the clients and develop engaging, creative, innovative content for regularly scheduled posts, which enlighten audiences and promote brand-focused messages, and conduct social media insights analysis, works with other departments to develop social media timelines coinciding with the new product releases and campaigns or other brand messages, and monitors and develops reports on competitor activity within social media spaces. So these are the responsibilities about this social media manager position. So if you are interested to apply for this position, so then you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive. So it is from SPD. So coming to about the qualifications, 2 to 5 years of experience is required in sales, and you should be having the experience and working knowledge of CRM systems, and demonstrable track record of overachieving quota, and you should be having strong written and verbal communication skills. So you can check here with about the job summary mentioned here. Next, coming to responsibilities, it would be like you need to meet and exceed sales targets and successfully create business from new and existing customer accounts, and also you need to manage complex negotiations with the senior level executives and build rapport and establish long-term relationships with customers, and acquisition of new schools from the designated territory responsible for revenue and generation from the sales of products, and gather and manage competitor intelligence. So you can check here with all the responsibilities mentioned here, and if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for sales and marketing specialist. It is from TEDCO EDU. So they are looking for a sales BD person in education industry, sales coordinators, and accounts executive, teachers with the university experience. So these are the qualifications for this position. So let us see what are the qualifications required to apply for this position. So the candidate should be in the same industry that is education, institute, universities or school, and sales skills for BD and sales coordinators, and proficiency in English is required, and strong customer service and rapport should be there, and thorough understanding of marketing and negotiating techniques, and in-depth knowledge of the industry and its current events, and strong expertise in business and management, email etiquette and communication skills should be there, and excellent planning and organizational skills, good interpersonal sales and presentation skills, attention to detail and accuracy, and fast learner and passion for sales, and ability to handle pressure and meet deadlines, and familiar in B2B and B2C sales skills. So these are the skills required for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, or else if you want to know more detailed information, you can check in the description for the link, or else you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is contact@tedcoedu.com. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist. It is from EDU Trich LLC. So these are the responsibilities for this position. You can check each and everything mentioned here under the responsibilities. And coming to qualifications, it would be bachelor's degree or equivalent is required, and no minimum experience, and experience with SEO, SMO and SEM, strong written, verbal and collaboration skills are required, and the candidate should be having the excellent project management skills and with a demonstrated ability to consistently prioritize and manage multiple tasks, and outstanding communication skills across numerous platforms including written, verbal and multimedia, and a strong understanding of current online marketing concepts, trends, strategies and best practices. So these are the qualifications for this position. Interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for growth officer. So it is from Dev Ethical Sustainable Crafts and Textiles. So they are looking for dynamic and young career oriented growth officers for marketing and website administration to propel exponential growth to their career. So firstly, they have openings for marketing position. So for this qualification would be MBA in sales, marketing, fashion management with good written and oral communication, and also having flair or experience background in fashion, textile, web development will be preferred for this position. So let us see what are the responsibilities. So coming to roles and responsibilities, the first thing you need to do is inspire people to join you to organize an online or offline event for ethical sustainable fashion. The fashion industry covers so many different walks of life to promote ethical sustainable fashion. So these are the roles and responsibilities. You can check each and everything mentioned here. So coming to next one, they have also openings for website administration position. So for this the qualification would be bachelor's degree in computer science, communications or completion of a college program in computer science, graphics arts and web design is required, and diploma or short-term certification in web designing, and work on website development and optimization, and work with digital marketers for SEO and SEM, and the candidates having prior experience background in marketing, fashion, textile will be preferred for this position. So you can also check here with the roles and responsibilities for this website administration position. So interested candidates who are looking for this type of job roles, you can check in the description for the link to apply for these positions. Next one, there is a job opening for business specialist position. So it is from GTS CAP. So coming to about the job, as a business specialist, you will help to determine the targets for the organization. Then you will prepare strategic plans to ensure that those targets are met, and you need to involve analyzing existing strategies and practices, identifying areas for improvement and developing innovative strategies related to the goals they help establish. And also you should, as a business specialist, you will be responsible for developing strategic plans that will help improve an organization, to reach its goals and targets and improve profitability. And you can also check here with the other responsibilities mentioned here. So if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. So you can also check here with the requirements for that position, and also they are going to offer a salary would be up to 4 lakhs per annum. Next one, there is a job opening for QA, a quality analyst testing. So it is from Abizon. So coming to about the job description, the candidate should have web application and mobile testing experience. At least 1 year of experience is required, like above 1 year of experience is required, and you need to work with the development teams to ensure each release meets high quality standards and create test plans and test cases from wireframes and exhibit manual test cases, report and track issues in ticketing systems and verify fixes, and building a strong working relationship with all the teams, and must have good analytical skills, that is should be able to well understand the requirements and should have experience in usability testing, UI testing and writing test cases, and should have good communication skills. So these are the details about this quality analyst position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the links. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.